goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips. It's an awesome move if you have any limitations in straight leg raise or internal rotation. Here's what you're going to do. You'll want to get some type of surface to stand on to elevate one leg. It doesn't have to be this high. This is just what I've got. Get yourself a plate. You're going to put your entire foot on there, on the box or whatever. Make sure you're getting a little bit of weight bearing through the inside the heel and the base of the big toe. You're going to soften your knees. I want you to take a silent inhale through the nose. You're going to exhale, reach the plate forward. As you reach the plate forward, think about hips going back, chest going down like this. Then once you're here, you're just going to barely take a knee. Should feel back of the hip working. Hold and breathe in through the nose. Long, slow exhale through the mouth. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.